Hi everyone, welcome back from spring break. I have a quick tip to show you. It's from the Google Tribe podcast, teacher podcast. If you like listening to podcasts and like learning things about Google, it just has amazing tips and tricks for everyone to try. So this is my desktop, and this is what we did over spring break. It was super fun. I got to see the ocean and stuff like that. Okay, so look at this magic. Ready? When I click on my Google Chrome, I've just come to work in the morning and stuff like that, and I want to open up my tabs for the day and get everything going. Magically, all the tabs that I need to use every day are already open. So I have my schedule, I have my drive all ready to go. I've got Infinite Campus here ready to go. I even have my lesson plans. So if I was teaching, I would want these open and ready to go. So there's my lesson plans. I've got my Gmail and I've got my Google Classes all ready to go. Isn't that awesome? It saves all the time of opening all those every day. This is how you do it. Go to these three dots over here, come down to settings. I'm gonna make this in less than 2 minutes. It'll be a 2-minute quick one. Come all the way down here to go on startup. It's literally at the very bottom before the advanced. You can see my list. It's only a partial list. I don't know why it doesn't show all of them, of what I've got already set. So if you'd want to do this tomorrow, you could open up all the pages that you'd like to open and then come down here and just use current pages. If you want to try setting it up today and you already have things open, just hit add a new page. It'll come to here to the site URL and just go to that page and literally click. So let's say I want Pandora because I want music first thing. I could go to my Pandora and just copy this address, go back over here, right click and paste, and add it. And now Pandora's in my list of everything that will open right when I open my window. 2 minutes, little tip, there you go. Talk to you later, bye.